Hey guys, CBtech here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a machine gun in Minecraft. So, there are two builds that I made that seem to work the best, so I'm going to show you both of those and how they work. Alright, so there's a dispenser here and there's two here. I'm going to show you how this works first, and then I'm going to show you how to build it. So, I've got a timer here. Let's start it. You can see how that works. So, it just spawns with T and shoots them out with the slime blocks. So now, yeah, they just blow up as fast as it shoots out. So that's the first build. Here's the second one. This one launches much further, but it's a little bit more complicated. There we go. You can see how far that one launches. And they shoot pretty fast. They shoot as fast as I could get the slime blocks and the pistons to move without it failing every time it shoots it. So yeah, just to stop it, you just stop the timer. And they blow up over there. So, and also over here, I'm going to wait to show you that at the end. That's a bunch of these lined up. It shoots really fast. So, to build this one right here, you just need a block and a repeater going into it. A block behind that repeater with a redstone torch on it. And above that redstone torch, another block with a torch on that side. And then above the redstone torch, you need a piston facing outwards like this with a slime block on it. And then dispenser facing up here with however much TNT you want in it. And I'll just put a stack in. And then on this side, doesn't matter what side you put the timer, but I need a lever to start the timer. There we go. Just put a lever here with the timer right here. Redstone, this, and this. And then you need to set this to, I think it's 3 ticks. Let me just make sure. Just double checking. Yeah, 3 ticks. So you click it twice, click the repeater twice. And then you need the redstone right here to go into this block right here. Oop, not repeater, redstone. Just like that one. So all you have to do, flick the lever really quickly, and it starts. So let me just kill all the TNT there. Oop, just gotta stop it first. Alright. So, let's get on to this one. This one's a little bit more complicated. But we can actually run it off the same timer. So I'm just gonna build it off of this one. So you need to place, after you build a timer like this, with just this section right here, don't pay attention to the glowstone, but just this right here with a lever on the side at 3 ticks, just like that timer over there. You need to put a block 2 blocks away right here, with a repeater going into it, set to 2 ticks, not 3, 2. And then a redstone going into it. Then on top of this, you need a glowstone. This allows the current to go through here and on top because it's glowstone. It's just the way it works. So on top of the repeater, you need to replace, not glowstone, a sandstone or whatever block you want, a solid block, and put redstone on that. And then you need a dispenser facing wherever your TNT can is going to shoot, and you put a dispenser on top there, and you must have a space underneath here with under the dispenser, no block. So you need a piston with a slime block on top, and then on the back here you need to put a block behind the empty space here like this, and then you need a repeater on it, don't change it, and then you need to put block like this, block like this, block like that, redstone torch here, and a redstone torch here. The piston needs to be on that block with a slime block on the front. And there you have it. That's how you build it. Oh, and you also need TNT in it. Let me just stop this one so it doesn't do it. Alright, so now you have the timer. It's going to power this block here, which powers this piston, and it's going to power the dispenser to spawn TNT here, which launches it up and shoots it over. So let's start this one. Flick the lever really quickly, and you can see it just starts shooting. So now after we stop that one, okay, now I'm gonna go over here. Actually over here. Here it is. Let me get rid of this. This is a double TNT machine gun with the first design that I had. Do these have TNT? No, they don't. I need to put TNT in them. I'm just hitting buttons all over the place. Alright, so you can see that just to attach them, you need a repeater. On the opposite side that the timer goes in, you need a repeater set to 3 ticks and a redstone going into this one. I tried making it more compact by moving this whole section right here closer, with the repeater going directly into that block, but for some reason it didn't work and it skipped every time with the piston. So it worked if I put a space in between. So let's start this one. So you can see how fast that one shoots. So let me kill them before they go all crazy. Because since this one doesn't shoot as far, it can blow everything up around it. That one's not as safe, but this one is because it launches so much further. And it's going to get dark soon, so I need to set the time to 0. Alright, so this is pretty fun to use. This is 8 of them, and it shoots quite a lot of TNT. And in the back here you see command block. This is not needed, but it is a safety mechanism so that if any of these cannons fail, that if it wouldn't launch the TNT, it just destroys the TNT by using the kill command. So kill at E, type equals primed TNT with a radius of 7. And for every 4 machine guns you have, you need one of these command blocks with this command in it. And you have to take the redstone out of the first cannon, where the timer is, first one here, and then you can see how many blocks you need to go, and a timer set to 2 ticks into it. So you can see I got another one here for these 4. If the radius is any bigger, it destroys the TNT before it gets launched. So yeah, and those 2 ticks there are set so that it does not destroy any TNT, giving enough time to launch. Sometimes if there's a lot of lag, it will kill the TNT before it launches, but that rarely happens. So I need to put TNT in here, so I will be back as soon as I have them filled. Now that I have them filled, I'm going to start the timer, and you'll just see a ton of TNT launch over there. So you can see actually the first one just failed there, so it killed the TNT. You can see in the chat. But you can just see how much this shoots. It's just crazy. It's impossible to stay still if you're over here. But yeah, that is a lot of TNT. And just to show you how this safety mechanism works, let me just grab some TNT. Oh wait. I have some. There we go. Just to show you how well the safety mechanism works, I could even place a TNT back here, and it will kill it. So it doesn't even matter. Anywhere around these whole things, it will kill it, so that it will not fail on you. But of course, you can't do command blocks in survival. But yeah, you can see how quickly it just shot through a full stack of TNT in each dispenser. So yeah, that is how to make a machine gun in Minecraft. If you want to see more Minecraft tutorials like this, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.